Welcome back. The Auto Garage and Star, the 2025 RAM Motorhome, is bringing a fresh level of luxury, strength, and adventure to the world of recreational vehicles. Built for travelers who want comfort without sacrificing power, this massive machine combines the rugged capability of a heavy-duty truck with the convenience of a premium mobile home. From the outside, the design looks bold and commanding with an aggressive front grille, sharp LED lighting, muscular body lines, and a high roof structure that instantly gives it a modern road presence. It feels more like a luxury tour vehicle than a traditional camper. Under the hood, the new RAM Motorhome is expected to feature a powerful turbo diesel engine that delivers smooth towing capability and reliable long-distance performance. The engine is designed for heavy loads while still maintaining decent fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Drivers will appreciate the strong acceleration, quiet highway cruising, and advanced suspension system that helps create a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Whether driving through mountain highways or desert landscapes, the motorhome feels stable and confident. Inside the cabin, the 2025 RAM Motorhome offers a premium living experience. The interior is designed with modern materials, soft ambient lighting, luxury seating, and a spacious layout that makes long trips enjoyable. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to fill the space, creating an open and relaxing atmosphere. The seating area can easily transform into sleeping space, giving travelers flexibility during road trips. One of the biggest highlights is the fully equipped kitchen area. It comes with a modern refrigerator, microwave, cooking surface, sink, and generous storage compartments. Travelers can prepare meals just like they would at home. The smart storage design allows owners to carry food supplies, cooking equipment, and personal items without cluttering the interior space. The sleeping section provides a comfortable and peaceful environment with high-quality bedding, climate control, and privacy curtains. Some versions may also include expandable sections that increase interior room when parked. Families and long-distance travelers will enjoy the additional comfort and space during overnight stays. Technology plays a major role in the new RAM Motorhome. A large digital infotainment display sits at the center of the dashboard with smartphone connectivity, navigation, voice commands, and premium audio systems. Drivers can access travel information, route planning, and entertainment features with ease. Wireless charging ports, USB connections, and smart control panels make the interior feel futuristic and user-friendly. Safety is another major strength of this motorhome. Advanced driver assistance systems are expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and parking cameras. These features help drivers handle the large size of the vehicle more confidently, especially during highway driving and tight parking situations. Exterior storage is also impressive. Large cargo compartments provide enough room for camping gear, folding bikes, tools, and outdoor equipment. Some models may include solar panel options and backup power systems for off-grid adventures. This makes the RAM Motorhome ideal for travelers who want freedom to explore remote destinations without giving up modern comforts. The bathroom section is expected to feature a compact but premium design with a shower, sink, toilet, mirrors, and water-efficient systems. Everything is carefully arranged to maximize space while maintaining comfort. Travelers can enjoy the convenience of private facilities no matter where the journey takes them. What truly makes the 2025 RAM Motorhome stand out is its balance between toughness and luxury. It offers the strength of a capable truck platform while delivering the comfort of a modern apartment on wheels. It is designed for families, adventure seekers, and travelers who dream of exploring the open road in style. In conclusion, the 2025 RAM Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It is a complete travel lifestyle machine that combines power, technology, comfort, and freedom into one impressive package. With its bold design, luxurious interior, advanced safety systems, and road trip-ready features, this motorhome could become one of the most exciting recreational vehicles for modern travelers. If you love adventure and want to experience the ultimate road trip experience, the new RAM Motorhome is definitely worth watching.